Hello, thank you for watching Tech Empire. In this video we're going to check out the affordable noise cancelling wireless headphone on the market right now. Today's headphone is JBL E65BTNC. The JBL E65BTNC are basically the upgraded version of the JBL E55BT, just adding noise cancellation. After all, Bluetooth and noise cancelling may be part of JBL's budget lineup of headphones, but they still cost $200. For update price please check out the description box. Now I am going to give you step-by-step details information about this headphone. So further ado, let's get started. Let's move on. Design quality. The JBL E65BTNC has a rigid design made of plastic and fabric. It look nice and are decently comfortable. However, after 30 to 45 minutes of listening with them on, they will fatigue your ears. And that's because they don't completely cover your ears, they sit a little bit on your ears. On the left ear cup is the micro USB port for charging. The right ear cup has all of the buttons and on top is the power switch. Then you have the volume controls and multifunction button, which allows you to pause and play, access Siri, Google Assistant and manage calls. Next is the 2.5mm headphone jack, which allows you to use the E65s as wired headphones. And one nice feature is that you can use them as passive headphones when the battery dies. Then you have the Bluetooth pairing button and the noise cancellation button, which allows you to turn NC on and off. All of the buttons are tactile and work just fine. Let's talk about noise cancellation and audio quality. The noise cancellation is fairly subtle, but it does the job. You will be able to hear when people speak to you. I found that they efficiently tuned out loud rooms, but they aren't the most powerful noise cancelling headphones out there. One thing that I found interesting is that the audio quality is noticeably better when you have noise cancellation turned on. The music is louder and richer. The sound quality was actually pretty good though, all things considered. The audio is generally very clear with good range. Let's move on to the Bluetooth and battery life. The E65s have very average Bluetooth range and stability. I could go about 30 to 40 feet before I encountered any interruptions. As for battery life, we had them go around 12 hours on a single charge at 70 to 80% volume, which is pretty good, considering JBL says the battery life can be up to 15 hours. That's in wireless mode with noise cancellation on. JBL also says that they'll do 24 hours in wired ANC mode. The E65s charge entirely in just 2 hours, which is impressive. It's conclusion time. JBL has built an excellent pair of headphones here, as one of the best options for those looking for a great pair of noise cancelling headphones under $200. The JBL E65BTNC headphones are well designed, reasonably comfortable, and they sound great. But there's some serious competition, the Sennheiser HD 4.50 BTNC, which come in at the exact same price, but offer a little extra battery life. So hope you guys enjoy this review. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. That will be highly appreciated. See you next time only on Tech Empire.